So we're just installing a Eiffel flip top frame on a round tabletop. We've built the frame, so you build the frame first, which is quite simple, and then you obviously have your top here. We've just left it in the cardboard for protection, and you just grab a tape and you just measure it from each end, so you just make sure it's equal, so that it's in the centre. So that's reading around the 200 mark. Just come around the other side, and yeah, once again 200. So that's in the centre, and then you measure it to get it to centre the other way, just by going off the centre tube and just holding it in the centre, and then measuring it to the edge. And you get, this is a 1200 top, so you'd be looking for 600 for both sides. And once you've done that, you have it centered, then you can just fix it in and put the screws in. It comes with two lengths of screws for the fixings. You've got some longer ones here and shorter ones. It does speak about it on the instructions, but the longer screws go in this center bracket here. And if you've got a drill with a driver bit, that's the easiest way to do it. So just making sure that these longer screws go in the bracket, and the shorter screws are used for the actual lifting lock mechanism, which we'll show you in a minute. So you just slide this bracket into there, and that's one side, and then you slide the other one in, and that's the other side, and then you use the shorter screw for these. We're just putting the rail in. It's quite simple and easy to do, and there's your handle, and then we'll just screw that in. So now this rail has been fixed, as you can see, and that enables you to pull it up and operate the mechanism. We'll just screw off the rest of these screws here, the longer ones, and then we'll just show you the table completely done. And here we have the round Eiffel flip top all assembled. There's also a little sticker in the box that we stuck on. You don't have to stick that on. Just helps people understand that they've got to lift this lever to unlock this locking mechanism, which unlocks these little levers, because at the moment in the upright position, as you can see, it's actually locked. It's just a safety measure, so children don't flip it down and squash their fingers in there. So then you lift this mechanism up and fold it down and lock that into place. You then have to lift the bar again to get it to unlock. So just lift that again. It just shows you the locking mechanism. Comes in a 1200 top and a smaller 900 top.